find a tutorial video for beginners. Watch this.
Hi guys, a great day po, and this is Erdin TV channel. Ang topic po natin today is how to pay credit card online gamit ang ating GCash account. So, i-click mo na ang GCash. As you can see, nandito na tayo sa aking GCash account na may available balance. So, sa services ng GCash, hanapin natin ng bills. Ayan, click mo na. So, sa pay bills, nandito yung ating bills po na babayaran. Ang credit cards. So, pindutin mo na dito sa ating category na credit card. So, may mga different billers po tayo dito na makikita. For example, ang AUB credit card, Bank of Commerce, BDO, BDO-MC, BPI, China Bank credit card, East West Bank, HSBC. May Bank credit card, ayan, Metro Bank, PNB, Robinson, Security Bank, and then yung mga iba pa pong bank. So, ako po ay isang PNB credit card holder, kaya ang pipiliin ko ay ang PNB. So, nakalagay dito ang pay bills, PNB credit card posting period within 3 business days. And then, i-enter po natin yung amount na babayaran natin. For example, 19. And then, enter po natin ang ating credit card number. Yan. So, nakasave na po yung aking credit card number, kaya nag-a-appear na po ito dito. Sa email, enter email address, optional naman po. So, ang gagawin po natin ay magpo-proceed na po tayo. Protect your bills now. Thanks us later. So, wag na po natin itong pindutin yung box na to. And then, mag-proceed na po tayo sa ating next na button. So, once okay na, double check mo na yung information ng yung credit card, pindutin mo na ang next. So, once okay na, nakita mo na yung pay bills, nakita mo na yung payment source mo ng GCash. So, ang gagawin mo ay pindutin mo na yun. And then, i-next mo na din. So, yan. PNB credit card confirmation. You're about to pay 1,910. So, meron siyang charge na 10 pesos. Ang gagawin po natin, once okay na, na-check mo ng total bill amount na may service fee na 10 pesos and your credit card number, o kung okay na, i-click mo na ang confirm. Ayan. So, processing. Nakalagay dito yung ating resibo na payment received with PNB credit card. So, nandito na yung mga details ng ating binayaran, yung reference number, the date today. This has been processed and your payment will be posted within 3 business days. Please use this reference number when verifying the transaction with the biller. So, guys, isave lang po natin to, no? Itong ating resibo para sa ating future reference po. Again, guys, this is Erdin TV and have a good day po. And bye!